Solve the equation and check the solution. 2 minus 3 times the quantity x minus 5 is equal to 3 plus the quantity x plus 1. Let's begin by simplifying both sides using our distributive property. Negative 3 times x is a minus 3x, and negative 3 times a negative 5 is a positive 15. On the right-hand side, as we distribute that plus sign, it's virtually meaningless. So let's go ahead and combine our 3 and 1 and write that right-hand side as x plus 4. Back to the left-hand side, we've got a negative 3x plus, combining our numeric values, 2 plus 15 is 17. That's equal to x plus 4. Now I'm going to subtract x from both sides to combine these x terms. Negative 3x minus x gives a negative 4x. And at the same time, I'm going to subtract 17 from both sides, canceling it on the left, and on the right, 4 minus 17 is a negative 13. As a last step, divide both sides by negative 4 to get x is equal to 13/4. Now let's go ahead and check that solution. In the original equation, we'll substitute the value 13/4 for x. So, is 2 minus 3 times, in parentheses, 13/4 minus 5, indeed equal to 3 plus, in parentheses, 13/4 plus 1. On the left-hand side, let's multiply that 3 through, distributing it, to get a 2 minus 39/4 and plus 15. Is this equal to, on the right-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and add that 3 and 1 and call this a 4 plus 13/4. Back to the left, we've got a negative 39/4 plus 17. Is this equal to the right-hand side? Here I'm going to go ahead and get a common denominator of 4. This is a 4 over 1. 1 goes into 4 4 times, and 4 times 4 is a 16. So the right-hand side is going to be a 29/4. On the left-hand side, let's get a common denominator as well. We'll use 4 as a common denominator here. That's a 17 over 1. 1 goes into 4 4 times, and 4 times that 17 is a 68. This is going to work out just great because 68 and a negative 39 is indeed 29/4. So we do have a true statement, and we can say then with confidence that the solution set is indeed a 13/4.